Was in a crowded elevator trying to act normal when my stomach made the loudest growling sound of all time. Everyone looked at me, so I laughed nervously and said, "Haha, my pet does that sometimes." Then I realized what I said made absolutely no sense because I don't even have a pet. The silence got even worse. Then the elevator suddenly stopped for a few seconds and someone quietly whispered, "Even the elevator is uncomfortable now." People started laughing while I stood there pretending to check my phone like I wasn't dying inside. And when the door finally opened, I walked out confidently in the wrong direction and ended up in a storage room instead of the exit, loudly crying face with tears of joy.